Okay, this certainly won't be much of a lecture. This section here is going to be, you're going to be given equations of the types we've already solved before. You know, what kind of equation you're going to be given? You're going to be given like root equations. There's a root equation there, root equation here, root equation here. Also a rational equation. The point of this is, though, that through manipulation, like for example, number 4, you'd multiply both sides with the LCD. For question number 3, you would square both sides. For question number 2, you'd square both sides. And for question number 1, you'd isolate the radical, and then you'd square both sides. All right. So the point about this over here is when you look at these equations and you attempt to solve them, eventually, I'm not going to say immediately, but eventually they'll look like a standard quadratic equation. So although they're not quadratic in form, they become quadratic in form by what we do to the problem. Certainly we'll go through examples. This should seem somewhat of a review to you. I do want to caution you, though, when you do get an answer, please check your answer, because the operations that we're doing, either by raising both sides to some integer power or multiplying both sides by the LCD, may introduce an extraneous solution we have to check for. Okay, thank you.